Hello, YouTube. It is Thor the Engine again. Holy shit. I finally got one. I got me another Emerson Collie special. The first Emerson Collie special was this K14X with the sparkly sticker on it. Now we've got this guy right here. This is my 2000 Lakewood P-25 that a good friend of mine got me as a birthday present. This is one of the later styles with the shaded pole Macmillan motor rather than the split capacitor PSC motor they used in the models later on down the road. So this would pencil this one in at 2000, and it even says it on the motor E2000. So the one thing that I really find very awe-stricken about this fan is it has a 3-prong plug. I've seen one of these, but these been told are extremely rare. And the guy who got me this said he got this at an auction for $2.50. Now, I've seen videos of Spats Bear comparing the old with the new, and then Emerson Collie had one that he got. It was a newer one, but this one here is in pristine condition. This thing is in brand spanking new condition. You pick it up, you look at the bottom, there's no rust on it. No rust, and you can see the model number and everything. It's got the 4 rivet blades, Macmillan motor, newer style Macmillan motor, and your lovely ice gray and white. So a huge thank you to a fellow fan collector who came out and got me this fan at an auction. So this is my 2000 Lakewood P-25, and it is on high. Okay, we're gonna turn on medium now. I guess this fan would be medium rare because it's rare. Just kidding. Ah, me and my stupid jokes. And finally low. This thing's got a really, really docile low speed. And then of course you got the ringing on the blades, the nostalgic ringing of the blades. They brought that. Hey, speaking of, back to high. We'll get to what I was just about to say in a second. Because the spin down time on this fan is ridiculous. Anyway, yeah, I like how this fan has the nostalgic ringing, blade ringing, like the P23s and stuff. Part of me wants to believe that Lakewood made these as like a throwback product, and I might be correct on that. I don't know, but for anything to be made like that anywhere past the 1980s, anything like that with metal blades, man, is, because the quality has just went down the garbage disposal the past 10 years a lot. So when you find stuff like this, you really cherish the heck out of it, man. But yeah, this spin down, coast down time is ridiculous on this thing. But that'll do it for this video. Have a good day, man.